Here again, sternal, make sure the angle's out. And your chest will be, I say the bottom of the sternal will be the chest line. Again, should be about one head, right? Let's do, so one, here's your first head, your second head. About right there. And your third head should be about where the belly button is. 1, 2, 3, right here. Usually right below the belly, we have here's our abdominal muscle. And the abdominal muscle, we have 6 above the belly and 2 below. So what happens right below the belly, you're going to have a little step out, and then it turns into the arch of the pelvis. So you get this part, which indicates this part of the rib cage that kind of pushes out, and then it comes straight down. And right below the belly, it pushes out a little bit, and then it curves tucks right into the pubic arch. So here is the belly button, right here. So even the shadow is a triangle shape. See, here's the triangle, right? Here's the triangle. Here's the triangle. Deltoid means it comes from the delta, and that also means triangle. You can follow that spinal cord, right? Very important. And then the waist, this area. Usually what I'll do is I give a little convex curve like this, because I want to feel the compressions, the rib cage and then the pelvis, they kind of press together. I want to get that little compression. So it's more, so the front of the body, it's more of a stretch. The back is more of a pinch. Again, the HUC pose like that. Stretch and pinch in the back. So what we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember in the back view I said the forehead is not at the end of buttocks, it's a little bit higher. It's going to be right about where the crotch is. Okay, so that's our forehead. Again, it's the midpoint of your body, which I like to set my figure as the A head. I'll set this right in the middle. I'll put another same distance and just gonna move that down. So if you screw up, like say if you screw up your drawing, you accidentally make the head to the crotch 5 heads, all you need to do, just make another 5 head to your feet. Your drawing will still look fine, okay? So what do we have here? right below this is oblique, again, back to oblique. You have the iliac crest, right here. The legs does not start right here, which that point is right here. Very important landmark, the interior superior of iliac crest right here. The leg does not start from that point. Okay, what happened? When we get to the muscle, I'll make it more clear. What happened? You have a muscle here, but and then you have a tendon from this point all the way down here, about this much. It's all tendon, and then the muscle mass will take off about right here. So that means from here about this much, it actually is flat. This is the tendons, and then the bulge of the leg muscle comes out after that. Okay, so you do not want to draw that bulge come out right underneath the oblique. Again, you feel like you're missing the hip if you do that. Okay, so, and one thing that's also very important if you draw in a side view is you do never ever end the buttocks on the same line as your end of a stomach. Okay, because the end of a stomach is going to end high, and then the buttocks is going to end low. This is the thing we call rhythm in live drawings. You can see it very much on the side view profile. The heads, right here, to the back of rib cage, to the front of the stomach, to the buttocks, to the thigh, to the calf, to the front of the shin muscle, and then to the foot. Okay, it's this rhythm that gives us lively feel in your drawings. If we analyze the rhythms, if you look. This is pretty much what I did. These high, low, arrow that counterbalance each other. If I do it in linear way, it's a zigzag, right? Zigzag what give energy, like lightning, they give energy, okay? And then also what you feel like is like water, and then 98% of the body is all liquid, so it's it also has that watery, feel. So that and also it's like I said, it's a balancing act. Something pushed too far to the right, something gonna push to the left, and then again vice versa. So it's very, very important. Not just on the individual muscle. Actually, it would appear on the overall pose too. If model striking some kind of twisting pose or contrapositive pose, you will see these rhythms of the silhouette of the pose. You will actually see these rhythms.